Hi, I'm Laura Hoy for Benzinga, and here's a look at what you can expect from the markets today, Wednesday, August 28th. Markets have been under heavy pressure as investors keep tabs on the situation brewing between the US and Syria. The US claims it has evidence showing that the Syrian government used chemical weapons against its own civilians. US officials have taken a firm stance on this issue, and military action could be possible as soon as Thursday. Governor of the Bank of England, Mark Carney, is set to address the nation at 12:45 GMT this afternoon with a speech in defense of his low interest rates plan. The Bank of Japan has pledged to continue with its quantitative easing until the country's inflation rates have dropped below 2%. A German consumer confidence survey showed that shoppers are starting to worry about rising inflation rates. The figure fell to 6.9 in September. New Zealand's Ministry for Primary Industries reported that products from the dairy company Fonterra did not contain botulism, as was originally feared during a botulism scare last month. Japanese officials officially raised the warning level for Fukushima's water leak to a level 3. Asian markets were down across the board this morning. A stronger yen helped pull the Japanese Nikkei index down 1.51%. However, Hong Kong's Hang Seng index suffered the largest losses with a 1.60% loss. China's Shenzhen index was down 1.14% and Australia's ASX 300 was down by 1.5%. European markets also got off to a rocky start this morning. The UK's FTSE index was down by 0.33%. The Eurozone Stoxx 600 index was down by 0.22%, and the German DAX lost 0.41%. Italy's FTSE MIB index was up by 0.80%. Commodities surged this morning, with Brent futures rising 1.43% and WTI futures rising by 1.20%. Gold was up 0.39% and silver jumped almost a percentage point. By contrast, industrial metals were down this morning, with aluminum down 0.32% and copper down 0.51%. In currency markets, the dollar and the yen were big winners as investors looked for a safe haven. The dollar climbed 0.16% against the euro and 0.27% against the pound. The yen was up 0.23% against the dollar, and the Indian rupee continued its downward slide with a 2.68% loss against the dollar. Carnival Corp lost 0.82% in pre-market trade this morning after two of the company's ships lost power during their voyages. Newmont Mining benefited from rising gold prices and gained 3.52% in pre-market trade. Walt Disney was up 1.33% in pre-market trade this morning after the company got the green light to build a new studio near Santa Clarita, California. Ford Motor Company was up 0.76% this morning as the company gained momentum amid Europe's recovery. Today, investors will be watching for earnings reports from Joy Global, Seadrill Limited, and Zale Corporation. On Wednesday, we'll see oil inventory data and pending home sales from the US. From Europe, we'll see Italian retail sales and the German Consumer Confidence Survey. South Korea is set to release current account data, and New Zealand will release its business confidence data. And that's it for Wednesday's Market Primer. I'm Laura Hoy with Benzinga, wishing all of you good luck on your midweek trades.